Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PUBG Battlegrounds black screen on PC. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. The first option would be to check your default sound settings, because PUBG requires it to be on default. So once you will start running PUBG, you want to go to your settings and sound, or just write down volume mixer. Just like so, and after that on the apps, PUBG should appear here. So you will see it here, PUBG or TSL game, and you want to go ahead and choose default options because it just how it works. And then you want to go ahead, open up Task Manager and close TSL game and task, just like so. Once you will do that, then you want to again launch PUBG and see if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then you want to make sure that once you launch PUBG Battlegrounds, you want to make sure that you have headphones or earphones are connected and selected before the launch. So that's pretty much it on this one. Now, if none of that work, usually what fixes the problem is by removing movie.pack folder or just movies folder, or just renaming it. So I want to open up where your PUBG is. So for me it would be on Steam Games, Common, and PUBG, and then you will see TSL Games, so you want to open it up. And now the movies pack for me is on Content, and you will see here movies. So you want to go ahead, you can go ahead, rename this file if you want to. For example, something like so. Or you can just go ahead and delete this folder and see if the problem was fixed. Now, none of that worked, you want to go ahead and verify the integrity of the files on Steam. Open up Steam. On PUBG, click Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will verify integrity of game files and see if there's any corrupted ones or missing ones. Again, you can go ahead and disable full screen optimizations. So again, go where your PUBG is. So for me, it's here. Now go to TSL game, then binaries, Win64, and you will see TSL game exe file. You want to go to properties, compatibility, and try to disable full screen optimizations, apply and OK. If that will not work, then you want to run it as administrator, apply and OK. That should fix the problem. And the last thing you can try is go ahead and open up NVIDIA app. If you're using NVIDIA, if you're using AMD or something like so, open that up, check the drivers. If there's any update available, download it. And also go to settings on PUBG Battlegrounds and change the display mode to windowed one. And that's pretty much it. You can also do this on the game itself. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.